everyone who is born in this great land has only one identity. We all are Indians. Good morning, everyone. Let's start the assembly. Now, I would like to call Senator Rawat for English prayer. English prayer. Dear God, at the start of the cool day, help us to learn and help us to play, to focus on all we do, to understand and remember to help us children today in this and join your heart and smile on your face. Amen. Now I would like to call my friend Madhav for Hindi prayer. सारे लोग खड़े हो जाइए, हाथ जोड़िए, आप करने वाले हैं हिंदी प्रेयर. तमेव माता च पिता तमेव तमेव बंधुक चचका तमेव तमेव विद्या धनवन् तमेव तमेव सर्वं मम देव. Now I would like to call Sanvi Sharma for English pledge. Right and forward, start the pledge. We the aliens of Allen's kids. With that accept the alien edge. We will do our school and country proud. We the aliens of Allen's kids. Abiding, loyal and loving, energetic, noble and sincere. These qualities are our very essence. We are children of substance. After the day, proud to be an Indian because Mickey are those born in this country. Thank you. Bharat Mata ki jai. A nation's culture resides in heart and soul of its people. Now I would like to call Vedanshi and Prisa for beautiful rhymes. मेरा नाम है गाने से प्यारे. मैं नर्सरी में पढ़ती हूँ. आज मैं आपके सामने एक कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ. देश की हम संतान है. 3 रंगों से रंगा तिरंगा अपनी ये पहचान है. जय हिंद. 1, 2, 3 we go with band, magicians and ravens of saffron, white and green. Come on, let's join. Make a row and stand still to celebrate our day. Today is our Republic Day. As today we are celebrating Republic Day. No celebrating is completed without dance. So let's enjoy dance on this prestigious occasion.
हो मारे या कोई मारे ना, यहाँ अपनी भी थोड़ी अदा थोड़ा अंदाज है. ऐसे हैं चाहे वैसे हैं, अरे जो भी हैं जैसे हैं, खुद पे हमें नाज है. जाने ना हमको ये जमाना, चाहो तो हमको आजमाना. यारबाज हम, जानसाज हम, इश्कबाज दिल वाले, कहते हैं हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले. छू लेते दिल के तार से इंडिया वाले, हर चीज छीन ले हार से इंडिया वाले. दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया